Hey guys, welcome back to The Barton's Begin. It's been a while since I've made a video. Obviously a lot going on in the world right now that has kind of slowed down our process of working on the house, but also a lot in our personal lives. So most of you guys are friends and family, so I already know, but for those of you who are not, Drew and I are expecting our first child, which we are very excited about. We have a baby girl coming at the very beginning of August, crossing my fingers that maybe even the end of July. It is a hot one right now to be 9 months pregnant, but we have been trying to work on the house as much as possible, but obviously I haven't been able to be doing much, so I'm not much help anymore. But not that I really was much help in the beginning anyway. But you can kind of see one of our updates is we've got new windows, which is really exciting. But I'll take you guys inside. We'll walk around, see what's going on. All right, so walking in the house, you can see that we have new windows installed. So in this front living room, we have these beautiful big windows. In the dining room area, which is halfway covered by a box right now, this really pretty picture window. We've been really happy with the new windows. Any windows that aren't new, like that one on the other side or that over there, we plan on covering up. So all the windows we just decided to replace. So it looks so nice and bright in here, a lot different than it did before. As for the ceilings, we have the ceilings up and the headers up. The headers and everything still have to be inspected by a contractor. We worked with a contractor a little bit before starting the process. He gave his recommendations, and then we started making those headers, but he is going to come back to inspect those, make sure everything looks good. Next big thing in the ceiling, we have HVAC going in, which is very exciting with the fact that it is very hot in Kansas right now. We need some AC over here. So we have HVAC going in. This is that first bedroom. New windows in here. Let me see if I can maneuver over here. Got to be careful where I step nowadays. I think in the last video I was saying that we were getting ready to have asbestos removed. Well, it was removed. There was actually less than what we were expecting, so that was good. But while they were under there, they did find some more termite damage. Kind of been this whole house of we go to fix one thing and about 10 more things pop up, but that's okay. We planned on removing parts of the floor anyway, especially the bathroom floor. We plan on replacing, so once we get that removed, we're gonna be able to see a little bit more if we need to replace all the flooring due to termite damage or just kind of sections. We'll just have to see. But we're still just happy about ceilings being up in every room, HVAC going in, very tall ceilings in the kitchen, which we've already shown. Up here above our cabinets is where the HVAC is gonna come in from the laundry room. Bathroom we haven't done much with, but this is where we have our second bathroom. All the walls pretty much ready to go in there, and the ceilings up. All right, so this is the laundry room. I think this is where probably the biggest change has happened. We have floors in here, rough build out of a little utility closet that we plan on having right next to the washer and dryer. And then we've removed the steps that go up into the house. We plan on rebuilding those at some point. Back here is where HVAC, we're calling it our utility room, so where all the utilities will be back here, which is our current big project since HVAC is going in. Let's see, this wall was built right here, kind of it's not a support wall by any means, but it's going to run all of our water and things for the laundry. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but all of this takes a very long time to build and get done, especially since this, like we've said before, is not our full-time job. And we also have done quite a bit of cleaning out here in the garage. So I don't know if, remember, I'll try to put in a clip from before, but we cleaned all that out, just kind of have it down to the studs now, and it already looks 10 times better in here. So we're very excited to be making some progress. Thanks again for watching and keeping up with us. Hopefully more updates to come soon, but you never know. Nowadays, we're just taking it day by day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.